Redneck at its finest. Made him tell you that's a worker right there. Brian painting his feet. We out here in Vegas, fastest in America. Again, definitely blew the motor up, broke the crank. We'll figure that. I know beat off. I'm buying us some nitrous on the dog. I know snuffing. Jack leg in this time. I know the gorilla. How many rednecks it take to put a motor in? Tell them what happened last night.
Broke the crankshaft.
Tell us who's driving and what you doing.
I'm driving the Heifer.
Oh, you was testing it, getting it ready? Tell us how it went down. You turned loose the button?
It went down smooth. Great pass. And it broke.
Best pass of it?
Yes, pass.
Then what it do?
Broke the crankshaft. Wouldn't start.
Lee Roberts been asleep the whole time. Huh? Lee Roberts been asleep the whole time. Don't let Lion Cody get over and learn nothing now. See my little ugly daughter right there. She at work now. What you do today? Tell me what you had to do today. Huh? She's shy, y'all. She like me. She don't like talking a whole lot. Tell them what you doing, baby. Tell them. Huh? What y'all had to do today, Chevrolet?
Change the tires, take the rims out of these tires, put them in those tires.
Tell them what happened.
See, what had happened was she went wah, 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 and then broke the end of the crank.
But y'all said she hit the second kill.
Well,
Y'all said she hit the second kill. We seen flames.
we seen flames.
That old bootleg motor that I'm putting in there, y'all. I'll tell you where I got that from. Old bootleg motor. Anybody need nitrous? Dennis got bootleg nitrous. You can do your teeth with it, or you can buy it. Inhale it or exhale it. Ain't nothing like drinking coffee. I can't get Miss Pam to do nothing but fix coffee. Thank you, ma'am. No, it don't got money. Who wear $100 boxes? Who wear $100 boxes? Oh, I got money, boy.
Shake it and go in there.
All right.
Hot. Hot.
You want to go up?
Yeah, I got my side in.
Harry. Nothing, been drunk the whole time you been here. Is he in there?
Well, right on in, Cook. Hell, we got a better warranty on this motor than I had.
Uh-oh. Tell me about this. What happened last time with that motor?
Man, that thing burned 8 pieces out when pads in my car.
Oh, man.
Then it wasn't warranted.
Oh, no, not that.
You bought the extended warranty.
Ooh. I did. No, that's when you had that delay shit on there. Take a second to put in there.
Yeah, that shit ain't no good.
Yeah, I'm in there.
We like the wrong way.
You think you're going to get to test that car tonight?
We're testing it tonight.
The motor ain't even in it yet.
We don't get it in.
You almost ball here to see a hill top of here.
Steve Roberts gonna be one day.
Lee Robert, he stay at the Bellagio sometime, the Bellagio or something. And one good thing about Dennis Bailey, he made sure we got spare motors.
I'm afraid you gotta pick one.
My eyes are bad, y'all. Can't see y'all. Mark, what's going on? James, what's up?
I bet
Shelby.
it has spacer in it. Yeah, it does. Give me some water.
I had a small block in there with spacers.
Yeah, give me some water. Don't put the spacer. Otherwise, it's gonna throw this belt out of the way. It ain't gonna stay on there. I'm telling you.
What's my coffee at, baby? You old enough to drink coffee? What you do? Drink coffee, drink Kool-Aid? You drink sweet tea?
Can't get it here though.
Buy me some water.
You drink raspberry tea here. All I can say is he's with my buddy. That's it. Nothing else.
See?
He'll hold light.
Yeah, he'll hold the light. You gonna find him. You find the women, the money, and the air conditioning. Brian Britt, he's been asleep the whole time he's been here.
Honeymoon.
He's been honeymooning.
We called him
You
at the
think he ain't been
spa.
honeymooning? Y'all look here. I'm the best buddy. He called me 10 times a day. That's my competition. We ain't told him.
Hey, we sell them, damn it. Have you giving that away for free? Beef bitches, man. Hell. What the hell you doing?
OnlyFriends.com.
Yeah. We need some more spaces. Jason, was there more?
Yeah, out here in Vegas, we're gonna do fastest in America, y'all. Small tire this year, small tire. 428s. We'll do 28 class, then we're gonna have a 29, 10, 5. You think you can use your mama's driver's license to drive one? You ain't still driving a race car? What's the fastest you ever been? In an eighth of a mile. Your time wise. What have you been? How fast you been? How fast has Vader been?
Has Beta been? I think it's like a 5:30. 5:60. I just know the fastest one was up in that Pickwick, wasn't it?
No, it was in Gleason.
Yeah.
No, not Gleason. It was in Lawrenceburg, US 40, where you whooped my buddy, the old man, in that truck.
Oh yeah.
I think you went a 5:25. Which car you gonna drive in fastest?
Whichever car. I'm an idiot.
Where did they put you in?
Whatever they put me.
We're gonna have night for us here. It's all steel.
He ain't drinking on my drink.
No, you better not drink out that food. We'll buy you 2 cups. We ain't drinking out of you. We ain't got drop clean time. Man, I'm gonna tell you, he don't call nothing. The fella here don't.
Saying big dollar small.
Back up. Okay, go ahead.
Just gonna pull this up so you see what you got.
on there, y'all?
I got the bell house over.
We got them cheetah plates over here. Ooh-wee. Let me find out if I take old nitrous plate with them heroes. What's going on? Eric. What's up, Brian? It is fun. Enjoy racing. Any kind of racing I love. Don't get me wrong, it's a lot of work. I ain't gonna tell you that it ain't. I'd much rather be somewhere with my wife and my kids. I'm doing something crazy, but you know what? You gotta work for what you love. I love racing. So that's what I just, you gotta get ready. I can't be just no glamorous racer. I show up and race. I work, comes the price with it. If it's free, and most times it don't feel good.
Give me a.
Huh? Say some shout out to him, but I can't see him. The names.
Ryan Brandt. Wait, what? Thomas Anderson. Free James on. Eddie Tibbs.
What is that 9? Is that what that is right there?
Timothy Stumbo.
Hold on, y'all. Trivia question of the day in the race world. Does Night Force weigh more than Heifer? What do you think, Dennis Bailey? I'm saying if you bet your money, you love both of us, ain't know what I'm saying. I don't trying to pay no partial. If you bet your, we're going to put them on the scale and find out.
We guessing weight?
No, we're going to we're going to say which one's the
I'd
heaviest.
say Heifer's about 3,200, Night Force about 31.
So you saying I'm lighter?
You're a little bit
You know you're supposed to sell crack. You ain't supposed to smoke it. My partner smoking
We
it.
in Vegas,
Man, this
Got all in the mud in yours right now, though.
No, it's still. Yeah, that's right. I tell you what. Heifer outweigh Night Force 500 pounds. I'm telling you now. I know what Heifer weighs. We do. What's in that coffee? Who's been putting this on in that coffee?
Jason knows which one it is.
Watch it. Brian, Rip.
Yes, sir.
If you put your money on it, serious money, your paycheck, for real, and put them on the scale, which one outweighs Heifer or Night Force?
Heifer's heavier.
You heard it yourself. Brian Britt, the assassin from Cherry Valley.
Gotta be true.
Gotta be true.
Gotta be true.
You seen it on Facebook. Y'all believe that little ugly mother? They got a pretty woman. Look more like E.T. You got a pretty woman. We seen that off here, y'all. Who's gonna win fastest in America this year? Who you think?
You know who's gonna win. Three-time world champion.
Everybody.
They won't. Still can't win.
Ooh. They didn't think we could do it 3 times, and I ain't gonna say that I didn't either. Never thought a bunch of jokers from Memphis did all show up. But now this year, the small tire is a different world, and then you got Bodie, then you got Nate, got an all-star team from 100 different states. What you doing?
Hey, this car can have some babies.
All right, we're gonna jump out here, y'all. We're gonna get this. Hopefully, we get this car lined out. We're gonna go out tonight and test. Try to get ready. It's going down tomorrow night.